How to watch Monday Night Raw live on Hulu. To watch Monday Night Raw live on Hulu, you need to subscribe to Hulu Plus Live TV. Here's how to do it. Step number 1, sign up for Hulu Plus Live TV. Go to the Hulu website or open the Hulu app. Choose the Hulu Plus Live TV plan. This plan includes access to live broadcasts, including USA Network, where Monday Night Raw is aired. If you are new to Hulu, you can start with a free trial if available. Step number 2, find USA Network. Open the Hulu app or website. Go to the Live TV section and search for USA Network. USA Network airs Monday Night Raw live, so make sure it's included in the channels available in your area. Step number 3, watch Monday Night Raw live. Once you verify that USA Network is included in your Hulu Plus Live TV plan, select the channel when Monday Night Raw is scheduled to air, usually Monday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and start watching live. Step number 4, record Monday Night Raw, and this is optional. If you can watch live, you can use Hulu's Cloud DVR feature to record Monday Night Raw and watch it later.